In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
After owning my entire to-do list today, this is so rewarding. My day was full of activity. Everything from fun stuff, like sprinkler time with the kids and dog, to not so fun stuff. Luckily, messes along the way are no sweat, because deep cleaning my carpet is mindlessly easy, thanks to my Hoover SmartWash Pet. I can pre-treat my toughest messes like this stain here. Then, cleanup is seriously as easy as vacuuming. That means I can get back to enjoying this a little faster.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.